Hi guys, this is Ryan here from Ryan's Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at how to use My Lead Gen Secret. This video tutorial is for those of you that have signed up underneath me through my Facebook promotion, or those of you that are thinking about signing up but you really want to know how this works. So once you register, you'll be given a username and a password, and you can enter into this members area. Now, guys, there's a lot of stuff you can do with this, and I don't want to confuse you. So for this first video, I'm just going to show you what you need to do to start sending emails to lots of people and to promote this so that you can start making money as soon as possible. The good news about this is you don't need to really know much English to use this. You don't need to know how to write or how to spell hardly, okay? This system includes a bunch of emails that have been written for you and that have been proven by professional marketers to actually sell and to get you sales, okay? So you don't have to write any emails, okay? You can even do this from your phone. I've been doing it from my phone and from my tablet, okay? The key to using this is, guys, is to do this once every day, okay? Don't miss a day, and you might get a sale in the first 2 or 3 days, or you might get your first sale in the first 3 weeks. It took me about 3 weeks to get my first sale. But the thing is the longer you keep doing this, the more sales you're going to get, because every day you're getting 100 to 200 leads, okay? The more leads you get, the more sales you're going to get. The more sales you get, the more money you get. So let's take a look, guys. So you've entered in here. Now the first thing you want to do if you want to start making money right away is you click on affiliates, all right? Okay, and this is going to allow you to promote this product to your email list, and you don't have to write any of your own emails. And this is what I've been using so far. This is how I've actually got my first sale, was just by going to affiliates, scroll down, okay? You can read this stuff after. Scroll down, okay? And here you're gonna have a bunch of email templates that have already been written for you. See, you got the subject line here, you got the email, okay? They even put your name in here for you. Okay, they misspelled my name. Okay. Okay, here's the affiliate link. So what will happen is, guys, you're going to click on this email and you're going to mail it out to 100 people. For me, it'll be a few thousand people, okay? And the more people you mail these out to, some of them will actually start to buy it, and then you're going to get paid. Okay, so you have the home email here, you have the link. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click import, all right? And now it's going to take me to my mailing system here, all right? So now I'm in my mailing system. Click select all. These are my leads, all right? See, I have 2,700 leads. And every day I'm getting 200 leads put into my system because I already have a sale. When you start out, you'll get 100 leads put in your system a day, okay? Okay, so if you look down here, okay, you can see the subject. It says, may the list be with you. Now here's what I recommend, guys. Look down here. I'm just going to highlight this. You see, it says name, first name, email address. What you want to do is you want to go to the first name, and you're going to highlight where this code, okay? All right, and you're going to copy this code, okay? And you're going to put it in the subject line. This code is going to make the first name of every person on your list appear beside your subject. And this will make more people open your email, okay? And which means that more people will eventually be buying and clicking through your link. Okay, so now you scroll down. Here's the email that we imported. You don't have to do anything, okay? And you're going to click perfect timing. What that is it's basically the email software will look at how the people behave on your list, and it will send out the emails to people at times where they've been known to open the emails, okay? So you just want to click that. Now, down here there'll be a send button. Now, I can't click send right now because you're only allowed to send one email per day. So I have to wait another 17 hours before I can send my next email. But that's what you do. You'd be a send button down here. You just click send, and that's it, okay? Now how long did I spend showing you guys this from the beginning of this video? Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I don't have the counter in front of me, but you guys can see just by watching the video. And we wasted a lot of time in this video, right, with me repeating myself and explaining how this works. But if you were to really time this, you log in, you click affiliates, you choose an email, okay? You click select all, you click send. How long does that take? Maybe 30 seconds, all right? So you want to spend 30 seconds every day, and that's it. And you just wait. You just keep doing it every day, and eventually you'll get your first sale. Again, it could be within 2 days, it could be within a week, and it could be a bit late. Like with me, it took a couple of weeks. But if you do this every day, it should happen within a week, okay? And then if you keep going, you're just going to get more and more sales. Why are you going to get more and more sales? Because they're giving you 100 new people to email every day, okay? So if you only have 100 leads on the first day, okay? And, you might get a sale, you might not, maybe nobody will open their email that day, okay? It's a numbers game, right? It's like if you want to sell something, your chances of selling it are very small if you're only going to talk to 2 or 3 people, right? But if you can talk to 100 people, your chances of selling go up. If you can talk to 1,000 people, your chances of selling really go up. So the longer you use this, the more sales you're going to make. So, in a few months, I'm going to have, tens of thousands of leads. I'll have tens of thousands of email addresses that I can send this to. Okay, so that's how you can make money right away. There are other ways to make money, and there are other ways to make even bigger sales and to sell bigger things. And I'm going to show you those in another video. But what I want you to do right now, guys, is you log in, okay? And when you log in, we'll do it again. You'll see this screen. This is your home screen. Click on affiliates, all right? And you scroll down. I mean, you can read this. This will explain to you how you'll get paid by promoting this product, okay? And you pick an email. So here, we picked this email. That's email 1. And then you have another email you can use the next day, another email, another email, another email. Okay, they give you, in this system, 10 emails you can use. And then what you want to do, if you actually sign up for this, you can join our Facebook group. And we're going to give you other emails you can use there. And if you join our Facebook group after registering for this, you can also participate in our lead swap, which is where you send your leads in to the group every Friday, and everybody sends in their leads, and we trade leads. So even if you only have a few hundred leads your first week, by trading them in to our Facebook group, you'll end up with several thousand email leads on your first week. And within a few weeks, you'll have a few 100,000 leads. Okay? So I'll show you all of that and how that works on another video. So again, you just, you pick an email. Okay? You click on it. Takes you to the mailing system. Select all. Okay? Those are the people who are going to get your email. And there's your subject, and I highly recommend just copying the code here for the first name and putting it in beside the subject line. You don't have to, but people like to hear their own name, okay? And you click send, and that's it, okay? So bye for now, and good luck.